start moving plates. Got a little chick right on my side, but we don't even date. Would think my birthday every day, how I get to the cake. Threats got me out of space and I just smoked the eighth. Don't pull up on me trying to race, can't catch my pace. All these words to the face to make my thoughts erase. Riding through the city, sitting low, opposite tent, 4 deep, riding with the bros. Any other day, you probably catch me in here with your hoe. I ain't no average Joe, I ball and move just like a pro. I be up.
Meditate, stay hydrated, please just regulate. Elevate, gym life, meditate, stay hydrated, please just regulate. Elevate, gym life, meditate, stay hydrated, please just regulate.
Do you think you could come back today at 265? He's available then.
What is going on?
This is my statement.
Turvalammikuga. Are those real work wheels? Yes.
How many have you broken? No.
This is my statement.
This is my second engine and my Ford gearbox. This is my statement.
I didn't have the money to buy real Opel parts, so I bought Saab parts and I made it better.
Is it legal, this car in Finland?
100% street legal.
Unbelievable.
This is my statement. This is my statement.
No, you can buy them from store.
Lexus on the left. Thank you, and Lexus on the right. Okay, now we see.
This is my statement.
I'd love to hear you. I can't tell you what music is.
Make your statement.